Okay.
Rotating doors.
Revolving doors.
Revolving.
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 Revolving doors. What up, everyone? To all our followers, a very good morning. The plan today is that we're going quad biking. Look at this view. Today we've decided to go for a walk.
Yeah.
So we're just going to be admiring the views and everything else.
Should we go from here?
Yeah. I'll show you what we're taking. This is a neighborhood called Bujiba. Bujiba, we even have McDonald's, we have palm trees.
He was looking at you.
Yeah.
Because he has gimbal as well.
Oh, that's it.
There's his hand and
Oh.
gimbal. DJI jet that.
Oh, I didn't see it. Look on the right. Wow.
You mean?
Yeah.
Is it called waves crushing?
Yeah. Crashing waves.
Once we arrived at the meeting point, we were greeted by our guide Peter, who showed us to our quads, and then we got ready to set off.
Gozo is the sister island of Malta. We are in March, so it's not that busy. You can see around me, there are a few people, but it's not your typical busy crowd because it's March. The weather is spectacular. For today we booked a quad bike tour and there was a cancellation, so surprisingly it was just us. Feels quite nice and exclusive and a private tour, which is really enjoyable. It's nice and sunny, but don't be deceived because it's actually quite cold, which is why I've got these fleeces because it's quite windy.
This astonishing landmark is a true testament of how natural sea salt is created, which has changed very little over the centuries. Natural sea salt is created through a process which requires three ingredients: sun, sea, and wind. Seawater is pumped from the sea into large feeding pools, and from there, the salt water becomes highly concentrated and is then passed into the smaller boxes to the shallower pools. The rocks get warmed by the sun, which evaporates the seawater, leaving only the salt crystals.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us close.
We then arrived at this majestic attraction, the Mini Azure Window, also known as Vide il Miele. It is a limestone natural arch on the northwestern coast of Gozo, where you can enjoy the sea views stretching far and wide.
Shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same. The colors always change, but the song is the same now. In June, lifting us higher. See so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear.
Peter says that we have arrived. Yay! We spent the whole day in Gozo and now we're on the ferry, arrived back in Malta. It was really nice today. Oh, what a day. We explored Gozo by quad bikes. It was so good.
After the incredible experience of exploring Gozo on quads and returning to Malta at sunset, We got back to the hotel and drove to Sea Salt in the town of Sliema. This is a gourmet takeaway specialized mostly in seafood dishes. Given that we love burgers, we decided to try 2 of their burgers. Our total order consisted of octopus burger, salmon fillet burger, homemade chips, and a quinoa salad served with soft drinks and homemade dips. The homemade chips really impressed us. They were crispy with the right level of saltiness and also had a hint of vinegar. The salmon fillet burger was actually one of the lightest burgers we've ever had. Usually when we get a chicken burger or a beef burger, sometimes you get that really full or heavy feeling afterwards, but this salmon burger was light and easy to digest, making it perfect for a late dinner. For the quinoa salad, at first we thought we'd get plain flavors of olive oil and vinegar, but we were so wrong. The crushed almonds in combination with the beetroot were a perfect blend that really took the salad to the next level. Last but not least, the octopus burger. This was a first for us. The octopus was crispy, meaty, and in combination with the relish, it tasted exquisite. A gourmet burger indeed. Have you ever tried the octopus burger? If not, what's the most unique food you've tried so far? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed following our amazing day in Gozo, continue watching this video.